ICT project publication and statistics. Have you ever wondered why websites publish new content at a certain time or place? There are plenty of ways to check the statistics of your websites. Most of them are free for you to use, and some of them require a premium account like WordPress. So we're gonna search the WordPress. And since I have a WordPress account, I wanna log into first my username or email, and then password, and login. And from there, I just simply click the My Sites tab. So after clicking My Sites, which is located at the upper left of my website, and from there, I view the statistics, which is the days, the weeks, the months, and the year. So another website I browse is my Facebook, which I have a Facebook fan page. So here at the right side of my cover photo, here's my Facebook fan page. And from there, since now it is upgraded, from there, I saw the summary of the statistics, which is located at the right side of my cover photo. This. Click this page and I just simply click the insights, and from there you can see the overview, the likes, the reach, the page views, posts, events, videos, and people and messages. So just click the overview, and from the overview it contains the summary of statistics about my page. So here. And after the overview, I just click the likes, which it contains the statistics about the trend of my page likes. Next is the page reach rather, which contains the information about the number of people who was reached by my post. So this is it, the organic, the paid. Next is the post, which contains the data showing the day and time my visitor visit on my sites. And the last is people. The people the people which contains the statistics about the audience, demographics, their age, their location, their gender, if it's women or men, language, and the country. So Philippines. It also includes the demographics about the people who have reached and engaged my post on my Facebook page.